Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video is a very special video because I got the latest FACEBOOK box subscription. I'm so excited. It's a little bit stuffed. It came in like tape plastic because there's stuff in here that's like super big and it's just crazy. But anyways, if you're new to my channel, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie Nicole. I do a bunch of unboxings, reviews, makeup tutorials, get readies with me with my friends. And yeah, if that appeals to you, then please hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Let's get into this video and unboxing and yay. So if you don't know Privilege Clothing, they are Canadian boss babes in Vancouver. I will leave all the videos that I've done before so you can kind of see what I'm doing. But if you're new, definitely check out those videos so that you know what I'm talking about. So make sure you see those videos just so you know about these boxes. This is the fall box. I'm so excited. But I got this super cute little card and it says, "We often get asked why it's called privilege clothing." The word privilege. To us, it's a word that carries a lot of responsibility. Our goal is to make every person we cross paths with feel privileged, included, special, confident, supported, valued. It's all about the connection and making people, aka you, feel good. No, amazing. If we can do that, if we can make someone smile, that's what makes privilege. So that's what they wrote. And of course, they wrote me a little note. I'm so excited. They wrote, "Hey Leslie, honorary Priv babe." I'm so honored. "We hope that you love your style box. Can't wait to see the unboxing. Caitlin and Hunter, Bailey H plus Carly." So let's get into this video. So this box is full of stuff. So I'm just gonna leave it on the side here. Oh, so this is what's included in the box. No wonder, because there's a huge freaking scarf in here. Okay, inside of the box. First things first is this big puffy little guy, and it is a scarf that is valued at $38. Look how soft it is, you guys. And it's gray, and it's got a little fringe at the end, which is my favorite. I'm so excited to wear this. So that's $38. That's what's in the box. Next item we have here. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my God. It's a Privilege Sleep by Priv. Their pajamas, amazing. They're so soft. If you haven't had any, I have like 3 pairs. I'm not kidding. So anyways, they got us the shirt. And this shirt I live in because I love it so much. And I'm so excited that it's just a plain black. Make sure you check them out. They're amazing. So this box is pretty good. Oh, that top is $48, just so you know, Canadian. The next item, oh, it's a Kobo Bamboo Mint Fragrant Soy Candle. How cute. Oh my God, that smells, oh, it smells like heaven. Look how cute it is. So this is $45. Oh my God, it smells like men's cologne. I love it. So it burns for 20 hours. This little guy burns for 20 hours and net weight is 3 ounces. That's crazy. Each and every Kobo candle is hand poured using US grown pure soy wax and lead free enviro-safe cotton wicks to create the cleanest burning, most planet friendly candle on the market. All right, the next thing that I see here is, yay! And I've used these and they're so amazing. They are the So Cocoa Cream and Coconut and Oat Milk Bath and Coconut Cream Soak. I cannot wait to use these. So amazing. So these are $20. Amazing. I love everything that's cruelty free, vegan, handmade, all these products, like they're living for me. I love knowing where my product is made from, people. Like, it is so good. Anyways, moving on. Next thing. Oh my God. Sage Stress Release Tension Reducing Remedy Oil. Oh my God, this is $27. I have been wanting to try sage so badly and I cannot wait to try this. It's a roll. Oh my God. I need this in my life. I am so thankful for this. So this is sage, $27, stress release rollerball. Oh my God, amazing. Last thing in the box. This is $45. This is a book, a notebook, and it is by Still, S-T-I-L. And so that's the book. Can you guys see it? It's pretty. I know. I love books. I love notebooks. Got a notebook from the last, no, not the last one, the one before. And I use it all the time and I love it. It's so pretty. So yeah, that is the end of this video. I hope you like this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment below on if you've ordered this box, if any of the products you have tried. Let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe. I do weekly videos for you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and I can't wait to play with my new stuff. You guys, this is like over $200 worth of product and I don't know, like some boxes come and they're not the greatest and this one's a pretty damn good one. So anyways, with that being said, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!